Yep.
Okay.
So you have these shrubs. These are Peking cotoneasters, which you have right here, but you also have an Invader, which is right here. Okay, this is what's called a common buckthorn, and it was probably dropped by a bird, dropped the seed. It does become a small tree. In this case, the maintenance company, when they do their trimming, is just trimmed along with it as if it was part of the shrub. But that could be cut down at the base, and then once it's cut, you can apply Roundup. Now,
Just on that stump.
cut it so you have the outside of the trunk, you have the bark. Just inside of the bark, the inner part is what's called the cambium. That's the growing part. So you apply Roundup along that ring of growth. Now, when you first make a cut, if you see sap coming up, you're just going to simply have to wait, because the sap is just basically going to not allow the Roundup to be taken in by the plant. But once the flow of sap has been reduced, then you can go in and put the Roundup on, and you probably have to make some repeated applications. The Roundup goes into the system of the plant and goes into the root system, thereby, it busts, basically it breaks down cells within the plant. So that way you can effectively kill the plant. However, if
it's got to be taken out.
Yes.
What's the problem if you don't take it out?
Well, if you allow it to flower and fruit, it's just going to create a problem throughout the whole property. It's pretty aggressive that way. Birds love to eat the fruits. The birds will...
And then they poop it all over and drop it.
Right, and that's why you actually have that one. Just by fluke, a bird probably landed in your existing shrub there and pooped, dropped the seed, and there you